Thank you for selecting pxPay as your payment integration module. In this video guide, we'll lead you through the seamless process of configuring the pxPay module to match your unique requirements, enhance your payment options, and provide a tailored experience for your customers. Let's get started. After installing the module, navigate to the Modules, Payment, and Online tabs. Locate the pxPay module and click on the Edit button to access its settings. In the Settings section, configure module options to suit your needs. Toggle to enable pxPay for your website. Enter pxPay key and user ID. Control display order of payment options during checkout with payment priority. Enter a value in the corresponding field. Lower values will prioritize pxPay over other payment methods. Enable test mode for test transactions. Set processing, paid, and fail paid statuses for pxPay orders. In the Restrictions section, restrict pxPay to specific customer groups, countries, and website pages. Specify module names for backend and frontend in your desired language. Click Update to save your customization. You've successfully configured the module, elevating your website's payment options. Thank you for choosing pxPay, and may your payment integration experience be seamless and efficient.